Python, a simple, cross-platform, and efficient programming language. Python is one of the most popular programming languages today, standing out for its simple and easy-to-understand syntax. Compared to many other programming languages, Python uses a clearer structure that is closer to human language, making it easier to learn and use for software development. Another major advantage of Python is that it is a cross-platform language. The same code can run on different operating systems, such as Windows, Linux, macOS, and many others, with little or no modification. This feature makes development more efficient and allows applications to be used in a wide variety of environments. In addition, Python is an interpreted language, which means that the code does not need to be compiled before execution. The interpreter reads and executes the instructions directly, making the development process faster and simplifying testing and debugging. Thanks to its simplicity, portability, and ease of execution, Python is widely used in areas such as web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, task automation, and software development in general.